Welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into two-dimensional lookups using the powerful index match functions. Now, let's apply this to a practical example. We'll create a table with student names, scores, grades, and performance. And here's our table populated with sample data. Now, let's say we want to find the performance for a specific student with a certain score. Using the formula, we can easily find the performance for any student. Type the formula. Type equal to. Type. Index. Bracket open. Select. Scores to performance range. Type comma. Type. Match function. Bracket open. Inverted. Comma start. Type student name. I type Ava. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select. Student's name range. Type comma. Type. 0. Bracket close. Type comma. Type. Match. Bracket open. Inverted comma start. Type. Scores. Inverted comma close. Type comma. Select. Range. Type comma. Type. 0. Bracket close. Close. Now press Enter key for result. We've retrieved the performance for our student with the desired score.